How to enter BIOS in HP laptop. I will show you two methods. The first method is escape key method and the second method is F10 method. First of all, completely shut down your laptop. After that, turn on the laptop as you can see. Now immediately press escape key multiple times. Here you can see a startup menu. Now you can select here. Now press enter. Now you can see I am in BIOS. I'll show you the second method. First, completely shut down your laptop. Press the power button. Now immediately press F10 button as you can see. As you can see, we are in BIOS. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.